What's going on, guys? Tiesler with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Yesterday, I didn't get any good rolling shots of this new Bullitt Mustang, so I wanted to show you. This is right on Ford's website, but I'll be quiet so you can hear the car. So it said coming to Ford dealerships late 2018. I believe that's what they just said. Let's look again. Coming to Ford dealerships in summer 2018. Okay, so this will be a 2018 model, I'm assuming. So let's look at these other videos. There's another long video that was pretty good. Right here. This is my favorite one. So I'll just shut up so you can watch and enjoy. All right, so at first I wasn't all that impressed, but the more I watch these videos, man, they do really good work on these videos, and it just makes you want the vehicle more and more the more you watch the videos. Yeah, it's just a good-looking car. I was hating on the red brake calipers, and I get why they did it. They wanted to differentiate it from the performance pack cars, and so you know that it's a little bit different with the black wheels with the silver trim and the red calipers and the paint color and the no badges. You know, they want it to look special, so I get that. I'll totally respect that. And yeah, it's actually going to get at least 475 horsepower. It is definitely getting the GT350 intake manifold and throttle body, a larger throttle body. So and then you have to tune for that. So it's definitely at least going to be 475 horsepower, probably a little bit more. Also, another thing I wanted to show you that we hadn't talked about yet was the Ford Ranger, which I had a 1994 Ranger in high school, and it was probably one of my favorite trucks because it was half beat up, and I could just get in it with my dirty feet and everything. But this is the new Ranger. All right, so that's the Ranger. Now, it is going to have a locking rear differential. I believe it's if you get the FX4 package, or maybe it's just an option. I don't know for the rear end. Let me shut this up. But I think it's not bad looking truck. Now, it is only going to have, for an engine option, is the 2.3 liter turbo engine that you can find in all the Ford vehicles. It is going to get the 10-speed automatic transmission, so I think that's a pretty sweet setup. I'm not sure how much the truck is going to weigh, but if you get a two-wheel drive version of it, it should scoot pretty good. It should move on and accelerate pretty well, and still get decent gas mileage. So I don't know, pretty cool truck. You could put your dirt bike in the back and go camp in with it still and do all this stuff. It's going to have an FX4 package, which is kind of like the off-road package. It is also going to have a sport package, which maybe this is, I guess that would be the off-road package, probably the four-wheel drive version. Yeah, FX4. So I don't know. Cool truck, in my opinion. They, what's his name? Jamal Hamid, I believe that's the guy's name. I can't remember. He's one of the executives at Ford. And he was talking about how they made, what did they say, a bumper-mounted, a frame-mounted bumper or something like this, opposed to a fascia. You know, it's for the off-road enthusiasts. And he just mentioned that in the press conference yesterday. So you can see it's lifted up. It's got some big tires on it. It actually looks pretty good going down the road there. I'm impressed. I don't know how much they're going to ask for them. I don't know much about trucks, and I don't know the new trucks and the prices. So, but if it's reasonable with the two-wheel drive version, that could be kind of an economical but sporty kind of quick little truck. They were saying that if it has anywhere from 280 horsepower to 350, which was how much they have in the Focus RS, has 350 foot-pounds of torque. So it'll still have as much power or more than the V6 competitors, is what they were saying in the press conference, potentially. So it could bring the power and it could bring the fuel economy with a 10-speed, and it doesn't look half bad either. A lot of times when the new Mustang came out, I hated it, and then now it's totally grown on me, and I don't even, it's not a big deal. But when I first saw this, I was like, yeah, it's not bad. So at first glance, it looks pretty good. So that's a good thing, I'd say. Anyways, guys, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. I post pretty frequently, each and every day, if there's new Ford and Mustang and automotive news that's relevant to talk about. Check out my latest Mustang about the Bullitt, and we'll keep it going. Adios.